check some things out down there in Louisiana, guys. Let me just put it up to you a little closer. These are some four digits that you should be aware of. They are four-digit pairs that's hot and smoking. All right. You have over here the hit frequency, the numbers that they are expecting to come in a four-digit pair. You had the number zero. It been drawn 153 times. All right. You have the number one. It been drawn 150 times. So over there in your right hand column, it is giving you the numbers that are steaming hot and that should be on their way pretty soon, all right? So therefore, what would you do if you was in Louisiana? You have down there in green, the number 8 have came out 144 times, all right? So when it's saying it's written in green, you clearly know that 144 should be involved in your four digits. So what you should do is, if you have 144 already saying that it's expected to come in your four digit, why don't you just grab 144 and take one of those numbers from the top that's red between 1, 5, or 3? Why don't you just go ahead and say that today you'll play 1534 in Louisiana, you'll play 1527, you'll make sure you play 1530 in Louisiana, all right? You also have here, you have 167. The number 5, it came out, it was how many times it was drawn was 167 times down there in Louisiana. So 167, you should expect to see that in your four digit as well. All right. So go ahead and write down here 167. Okay, so you can take one of these numbers from here because these numbers are steamy hot as well, like 34, 27, and 100 and 1530, basically. So you see what I'm saying? 1530. So you have 167 right there. So what you would do is you would just take a number from off one of these top numbers that's hot and you'll put it right here. Just say go ahead and play 1673. So you kind of like have the gist of this. What I'm trying to say is pretty much all the red numbers you see right here. These are numbers that are to be expected in Louisiana, all right? All these red numbers. You might want to stay away from those blue numbers because they are cold. But you do have numbers such as 1 that's indicating that it's cold, but you also have the number 1 in the red section that's indicating that it's hot. So it can get a little tricky, so make sure you're doing your studying, all right? So down there in Louisiana, I would just play 1444. I would play 1444. I'll put a 7 right there. I'll play 1444 with, let's see, let's go with a 3 with it. So whatever you're doing down there, just make sure if you're playing 1444, you can do it like that, just as long as you add in the number. You already know 3s are hot down there. You know 5s are hot. You know 1s are hot. You know you can play a 6, 7. So as long as you're playing 1444 with any number that's pertaining to one of these hot digits, you might can get you a hit down there, all right? So all you have to do is make sure you're reading this. Like I said, anything that's in red, that means that the number is hot. The frequency is hot. Anything in cold is that anything in green is meaning that the number is expected to come. If it's cold, which is blue, that means the number is pretty slow, all right? So once again, this is for Louisiana Pick 4 lottery statistics. This is a real thing, guys. This is the computer lottery post. You cannot beat it. You cannot go wrong with it. It clearly gives you right there the expected hits. Okay, you can see the expected hits right there. All right, because it says here the number 9 have been drawn 152 times. Look at the percentage of it, 30.2%, 10.5%. That number is hot right here. So you're clearly looking at 152. That's how many times the number came out. They'll throw it over there to the hidden frequency. All right, what else we got? Okay, let's see. So basically, anything with 15.3 in it in a four digit will be a factor. I don't know how you can run it. I would just say run 1535. I would say run 1530. I would put a lot of money on 1530 if I was in Louisiana. That's what I would do. Because look at the percentage of it. Look at the hidden percentage of this right here. 10.6%, 36.5%. So basically 150 and 153 would be a factor in the 4-digit in Louisiana. You clearly see it. All right, where's the other one? Okay, the number 4 have hit 127 times, but it's kind of cold. All right. So yeah, let's go ahead and put 1530 for Louisiana. All right. What else? Okay, that should be it. That pretty much covers everything. And also make sure you play that 144 pair with something. I would just go 144, 143. Okay, so it's already here. So do that in Louisiana. Peace out. Please do your backtracking and study. And let me know. Leave some in the comments if you're from Louisiana. Peace out, gone.